All right, so we should have Phonics 18-3. We're going to look at the side that says write each group of sight words in A, B, C order. Okay, you at your desk have your alphabet. Do not forget, when we alphabetize, we're looking at our alphabet. So I have my own alphabet. We start at A, and we go all the way to Z. And we have to look at what comes first with our letters. Okay, if they start with the same letter, then you have to go to the second letter, right? Okay, so let's look at the first group of words. It says young, once, learn, fought, and earth. Everyone underline the first letter of every word. So Y, O, L, F, and E, right? Do any of those start with the same letter?
No.
No, so we can just look at the first letters and look at which one is closest to the letter A of the alphabet. Y, O, L, F, or E? Okay. E is the closest to A, so we're going to write earth. Okay, just so I don't write it again, I'm going to cross out earth. Okay. Which next letter, Y, O, L, or F, is closest to A? We just used E, so right, F is next. So fought would be next. So far it is. I'm going to cross out F. All right, now which one is the next one? We're going to go, we had E, we had F. What's the next one? L is the next letter in our alphabet, so learn. Okay, what's the next letter of our alphabet? O is next, so you're right. Once. Okay, I'm going to cross out once, and of course the only one we have left is Y for young. Okay. All right, let's try the one right next to it. It says brought, move, thought, heard, I. Okay, underline each first letter of each word. Okay, so you should have B, M, T, H, and E. Okay, which letter, which word is closest to A? That B is real close to A. It's B, brought. So you're going to write brought. Okay, and cross it out. All right, what's the next one? We have B. Do we have another one? Oh, E is next. Do we have one? Yes, E for I. Okay, which one's next? M, T, or H?
H.
Yep, H is right there, so it's the next one in alphabetical order. Heard. Like you heard someone speaking. Heard. Okay. M or T, what's next? M is next, so you're going to write move. Okay, and then I'm going to cross it out. And then is T the last one? Does it make sense? Just make sure we're correct. Yes, it is the last one. So thought. Okay, thumbs up, thumbs middle, or thumbs down? Give me your thumbs up for you. That was, you felt really good about that. Thumbs middle for okay, thumbs down. Okay, the next two are going to be your homework. So I want you to start yourself off by underlining each first letter so you can look at that at home. B, W, O, F, and H. They all start with the first letter, so you're good. None of them are repeated. And the last ones, underline the first letters of those. S, E, F, M, and E. Are there any ones that have two letters that are, well, the first letter that's the same?
Yeah.
Which one? E. So when you look at E, you're going to look at A, and then you're going to look at the N. Okay, and I'll help you out. They're these two. This is an E, and this is an E. Does that kind of help? So is EA going to go first?
Yeah.
Or EN going to go first?
EN. I just said it.
Oops, that was very easy. Early, yep. So I just helped you out a bunch. Okay, all right, flip it over. This one says, circle the words that make sense in the following sentences. This is fun because they're going to sound very silly if they're wrong, and they will sound correct if they're correct. So I, and then it has parentheses, which means pick one of these. There's the word bat or bought. So I'm going to say, I bat some jeans at the sale and flight to get them. Probably not. I bought some jeans at the sale and fought to get them. Probably. So I bought. And should we fight to get jeans? No, but apparently this person did. I fought to get them. Does it make sense?
No. Yes.
It makes sense. Okay, it's not, you shouldn't fight, but that's what this person did. Number 2 says, my, again, you pick one of them, I is sore from all the dust I got in it, or my eye is sore from all the dust I got in it. They sound fine, but how do you spell the correct form of I? That's talking about like your actual I. So that's the I. My I. Right? That I is like me. Number 3 says, I heard the plane as it took off. Or look at this one. I heard the plane as it took off. So they sound fine. But which one is spelled correctly? It's saying I heard this sound. Which one is like about a sound? This one is the sound that you hear. That's a little sound, like this is my ear. That herd would be like a herd of sheep, right? It's a collective noun. Remember collective nouns? It's like a group, we said like a school of fish, a herd of sheep. So that's like a collective. That doesn't make sense. But that one is talking about hearing. All right, number 4 says, Mom brought me a sandwich at lunchtime, or Mom bring me a sandwich at lunchtime. For what? They sound funny when they're wrong, right? Number 5 says, my friends are ship that he was on the show.
Sure.
Or my fresh are sure that he was on the show. Well, those don't make sense. My friends are ship that he was on the show. My friends are sure that he was on the show. There's a lot of different ways to say that. Friends made sense. My friends, not my fresh, are ship? No, are sure. They're sure of something. Right, number 6 says, let's leave early for the mountains, or let's leave eat for the mountains. Early, very good. Let's leave eat. That makes no sense. All right, number 7 says, we thought the show should last for 1 hour, or 1 hour.
Second one.
Okay, again, these are interesting. They sound the same, don't they? For 1 hour or 1 hour. This hour is talking about the time. So you have to know that's how you spell 1 hour. Okay. All right. Any questions? Yes.
What is that by the eye?
This by the eye. This?
Yeah.
Heard. I drew an ear.
That's not a part of the eye.
It's an ear.
That is a part of the eye. Yeah. It should be oh, that's it's so good.
There we go.
One ear's bigger than the other, but that's okay. And then the lolly fall out too.
There's no symmetry.
There you go.
She gave it a 30 out of 30. I give that more than that. I give that 2,000. I give
right.
that 2 million.
All right, so 8 through 14, that is going to be your homework, okay? Go ahead, put those in your gold folder.
That's that picture was way bigger.